So today we're going to be doing a BMW M3 cowl, which is like the air filter that goes at the back of the engine bay. We're going to be taking the 335 one out and we're going to be modifying it to kind of look the same as the BMW M3's one. It just needs a little bit of cutting, so we're currently on our way to... You always say that, hi.
Shut up, don't put that in there. No.
She's so aggy this morning.
Go away.
Just going to be installing some, what is it, Burger Motorsport Cowel filters, and we're going to cut up my number plates as well. Yeah, they look good.
Yeah. Am I doing it right? Get off!
The benefits of doing this, it allows better air cooling around the engine bay, and also it not only looks more aesthetic. Is it athletically?
Aesthetic. You gotta say athletic, you retard.
Athletic. How do you say?
I can't say it now.
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic.
Aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah.
Allows better engine cooling, but mainly it allows better sound coming through the cabin actually when you're driving. You get a lot more engine noise as well coming through, which you know, you can hear the turbo spool and things like that. That sounded loud. Motherfucker. Oh, do a bunny up. Oh, I thought he was going to do a bunny up. Come on. You gonna help me out then, bro?
What am I doing?
I need you to cut some things. Okay, I'm literally just going to whip it off quick. I'll show you guys how to remove it, and then we're basically just going to chop it up. It's such a quick little mod, but like it makes such a difference. We cut across the back there.
I honestly can't even remember. I can't remember.
Yeah,
You're on there yet?
Yeah,
I'm the main man.
You're the main man.
Right.
So we're basically chopping this central piece out here, and then that allows us just easy access to the engine, allows better cooling, and then we replace the little filters at the back like that.
Yeah, no worries.
Right, so I'm going to remove it now.
Oh, mate. Oh, okay. Is it recording?
Yeah, it's filming.
Oh, it is recording. Hi.
Is the boss lead? Just give it a little bit. Replacing this with these little things. Now that we've got access to this thing here, we're going to be cutting across the back here and then down to there as well. We're probably going to keep this section in as well, to be fair. We'll keep this thing in. So we'll start from here, come in, and then go towards the back. I haven't taken these off in ages, are they? There we go. ECU cover.
Come on in, you lazy sh**. Get up. Yeah, go sing it.
Look at him go.
Right, now.
The next kind of thing to remove it, I think we've got one bolt here and it'll be the same for the other side. I'm going to show you that there. So I'm going to remove those two, and then I think that's literally it. Then I've just got to take off this and loosen this, and then we're good to go. The strut brace right from this bit here is over a little bit. It's not exactly in line, but I'm going to line it up with this piece here. So I'm going to line it up from that point there, and then I'm just going to follow it towards the back there.
Just had to avoid that little sensor.
Oh,
Just there.
look at you getting involved.
Took him about a million years to think about it though, but got there in the end, didn't we?
Come in like here,
Yeah.
and then from this point here, go on the inside up here. Go vertical in there. We'll cut down this.
There's a little clip.
There you go.
What, Rod?
So yeah, 10mm across that.
Huh?
So yeah, here's going to be a little time lapse of him chopping it up, and then we're going to go try it on the car, just a little test fit, and then we may need to cut obviously a little bit more off of it.
only joking.
What do you reckon?
What do I reckon?
Happy or not?
Yeah, that's alright. It's a bit higgledy-piggledy there, but it's not too bad.
Alright,
My nose is running.
gonna go test fit and see if there's
There
it.
you go, Shaniqua.
Alright. So what we're gonna do first of all is just basically push this bit in. Good thing to line up is this point here. That's the first bit in. And as you can already see, we've lined it up real nice with that there, the strut brace. You can just see the strut brace underneath. Got a nice little seal across the back there as well. Like that. That is literally it, guys. That is literally it. Just button up there. Oh, yeah. What's that?
Oh, I got in my face.
Just don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Yeah. I think I got it.
What was it?
A bug.
Oh,
In
was
the
it a
hair.
wasp?
No, it's a bug. Alright, well basically guys, I've made a bit of a judging error with here. I'm gonna leave it as it is. I mean, I am a bit of a perfectionist, but the worst comes to worst, all you gotta do is go to a scrappy and just buy another one.
How do I do it?
So it'll seat all the way around it.
Right. Do you have to bottom in there?
Sorry?
Do you have to like put screws in it?
Yeah.
There we go.
Done it?
Yeah.
Seated?
Yeah.
Alright, nice.
No, it's not.
There it is.
The buttons down, the button is down. Don't over tighten them though. Just pinch them because it's quite soft rubber. The only thing that looks a bit crappy is this thing here, but you can't really do anything about that whatsoever.
Can we not cut it out?
What do you mean cut it out? What am I doing, guys? What am I doing with that?
Yeah.
Just cut it out, we don't need it. Gonna do an additional mod for you guys. So when you get dual cone intakes on your 335i M54, you can see the airbox duct, it's actually bent in a sense that it comes around here when ideally, in an ideal world, you want it straight like this. So I'm gonna drill a hole here in the side, and one about there I'd say, and then I'm gonna feed a cable tie through. When I tighten it together, it'll kind of sit like that and therefore sit a little bit straighter. And I'm gonna have to get my hand in. Once you get an angle that you're actually happy with, like I'm pretty happy with that being straight. That is literally it. You're just gonna snip that in bit off. But make sure you do it at the right angle. So make sure you drill a hole at the top of this angle here, and then halfway down on this side as well. And in doing so, it's literally just going to direct the air instead of more this way, it's going to direct it more straight. Right, final little mod for today. We're going to go take these inside and we're basically just going to line them up. So we're basically just trimming off the edges, basically. So I was thinking, well, basically same as this one, where we're going to round off the edges there. Ideally, I wouldn't have minded having it a little bit off the top and a little bit off the bottom as well.
I wouldn't be trimming it down this way.
No.
Actually, I did it on mine on the front of my car.
And what happened?
It just doesn't look very nice.
Shania said it wasn't square, and then we got an actual square up against it and it was perfectly square.
Making me look so stupid.
Yeah, basically. Well, you just made yourself look stupid by saying this is not square, but it is square. Let's see what it sounds like. You haven't heard it before,
No.
so I'm kind of letting you kind of judge it and see what it sounds like.
Okay.
Right.
Right. Bloody hell! Oh, that's a big difference. No, I can hear that. Flipping heck! Oh my god.
Wow! Not bad, is it? Let's go into fourth. This is running a standard boost as well. Just think when I'm running like a higher PSI.